All right, guys. So the last video we stopped for this part of the tutorial now. What to do this logo, the navigation, and the social icons for here now. So what we want to do next now? We want to work on this text where they then we'll put this big where they for the back here now. So now what we go do next now. So more dive into the code now. So what you go happen? I'll come this place now, say section. So say section, then inside this section now, say grid container. Because this grid container, so we'll go run now. We'll go put this guy now for grid 45. That means every time I see this inside so go to grid 45. Then this other motor side now, so with this navigation, it go inside grid 55. So I come back. Say grid 45. Then you know what? Move first do that. Move first do this CMO style and first before we start to talk about this many things. Or just come here after a section, I'll say span, then I'll give the span class. The class name can be here. They might just say 1985. 1985. Originally, the idea for this design is say this motor where the now swear the year where they manufacture this particular model now going to show for the background here. It gets so you know so like so supposed to fetch from at least if now what's like say we'll put all this PHP and Sky stuff now other stuff so like so we're supposed to fetch from database and go on kind admin dashboard like they're going to add all this here and those things put but based on say now just front end design when we finish I'll get the back end guys when they go do it they won't do it you get so we'll just arrange them so now you know that source yourself for that one but any Asha we'll start this one so I'll come here now I'll scroll come down say div.parent must separate this one div.parent then section say position relative I'll duplicate this guy then inside the section now so I'll target the span now then but say bigger way I'll say my font size be 55 EM. Then more run I'm see first. See so big so 55 EM. Then we'll say make a font width be like 600. Then we'll give font family. I'll say DM serif. If you don't get this thing just say serif, you could pick any serif family for you. If you don't get this font I guess now, you know if you could download, but I'll say man I'll say you don't get data. Just you see go pick your serif for you. But me I download because I get data. And it costs now. Display. So if you get that, just find this font for Google fonts there. Just see you see there. Not big now, 20 kilobytes. You know, just like it is just your level for inside the WhatsApp. You know the pin. So refresh it. I get this font for you. So we define trouble. So I click first, yeah. What I'll do here, I'll click this column and see. Okay, I'll copy this one, click OK. I'll come down, I'll see color. See big tank there, voila. Sure. We'll give voila problem. I'll refresh See, it don't faint. If I faint, my move the color first. This will put position. We see absolute. Then we'll push that guy go up. So we'll push her for the button. And to push her now, we'll say minus 190 pixel. We'll refresh. What did it do? Where the guy vanish enter now? They come. I expect this thing safe. Anytime they work with position, I'm not sure understand. So can I say I can format? Go make a the space on every time. Let's see. So we'll come on this button. Don't come back. Then let's see. Position absolute. You know what? We'll comment this so we'll come back to these people later. Oliver. Because by the time we don't create all these things, so many position things go work here. But with all the creator, we'll see into the play around with this number, so I think we'll centralize here for us way. So more just ignore. More enter these guys first. More enter. We'll come back. The guy was smart. But like I say, we know person. So I'll come in at this grid 45 now, so yeah. We'll come out to that span later. This grid 45, I'll just see car details. Car details. Then inside the car details now, I'll give each one name. Then I'll say Chevrolet. I will forward to do Chevrolet too. Poor game is not Chevrolet. They sabi. I don't like pronounce that. Camaro. Chevrolet Camaro. Then after this car details, we'll create paragraph. Or it's supposed to be inside of it. No, after this issue, we'll create paragraph. I'll say P about the lorem ipsum data blah blah blah. We'll put on again. Okay, like this. Probably we're supposed to delete small shell, but yeah, I'm gonna delete it somewhere here. Then I'll come here, H4. You see now? H1 for here now, so this H1 now, so then at the span, because we'll make them big, which is this white now. We'll make them big. So the all of this ones are now the H1. Then this Camaro now, so we'll make them big small. Then this one now be our paragraph about. So we'll put the production here. Then we'll create this button. So what I'll do here, I'll come here and say I'll give a class. So the class now say production year. Break it down. Say production BRO span. So the span I'll say 2000 to it's all right now to 2012. 2012. And after I do, I'll come here. So I'll say a.btn discover. Not be BTS, so now you put it to scholar. BTN. Or those both teams to score, guys. No, no, not safe. span discover. Okay. Discover. Then we'll get this. You know what? My design is because this button now, so we'll do some kind of animations for here. And if I make an add and join this tutorial here, that is this particular video, it could make the video longer. I'll create separate video here. In fact, for the next video here, now this button will work on specially. So we'll just comment on here. More comment on here. We'll just start it on quickly so that the next video we'll do it to one do. So come, let somebody stay open. So I'll refresh this one now. See what's nice if I push go. Oh, more comments out. We'll work on it later. So we'll see how we'll tackle this guy for here now. So what I'll do, I'll go my CSS, then I'll first target the name now. So section car details, each one name, I'll come here, I'll say maybe the font size of the each one, maybe like 80 pixel. Then font family, this family again I want to use is DM serif display. Then I'll say maybe the font width maybe 600. Text transform, capitalize. Then margin button, okay, go push on. Me that guy did bounce, me not near him at all. Me not near him. So refresh. You see now. So more target this span. So I'll duplicate. Say h1.name, then span. What I'll do now, so I'll target the font size here. This is not really bigger now. So say 130. So refresh. You see now, so share this here. Alright. So most of this thing now. So if you look this thing, I see and say it push go up small. And I want to push like that. Space there. So what we'll do, we'll come this H1 now, so yeah, then we'll give a line height. So I'll say maybe the line height now. Because that font's big, so it's maybe like 100 pixel. Or we'll see. Okay, done here. Then we'll see the color right here. So it might pick now. I'll pick the color. Okay, Ctrl C. Then I'll say color. Ash this. This is not going to be white. FFF. More run see. Okay. So if you look this one now, so say push come down. So we'll target car details. We'll target car details. I'll duplicate this one. Then I'll target this guy here. So the car details now. We'll say position relative. Then we'll push out the top corner small. So we'll put like 40 pixel. We'll see. Space. Okay. What is the ruler? Very funny. What is the ruler? Very funny. Okay, this is at least my mouse the check out. So the I don't just know, just like in a reflex, yeah. Man, they actually they know how the mass, how they drag the mass reach. So as I drag am for you, I think big. But when I come here now, when I drag am like this now, it not be like do I the drag am for the other side. So I don't just know. Don't do this to me, sha. That's what the program will be. As you do it, you gotta create some kind of funny habit to yourself, and it is sweet, sha. It's the funny. So we'll leave that one, sha. We'll leave that one. So we'll see. So we'll work on this one. I'm more in this video. So we'll talk about this button now. So I'll come here now. This one will take time now. So we'll target the about now. So I'll duplicate this guy. I'll see p dot about. So the color of the about now FFF, and font size more for 14 pixel. So we'll see. Okay, 14 pixel. So I'll go back. I'll see maybe the width here be 60%. Then font family, I'll say Open Sans, and Mojang line height. So now that could be like 35 pixel. So I'll run now, and we'll get this guy here. But we'll see this thing again. That text too plenty. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines now there. There's no 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to come out like how many lines now? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to come out these 2 lines. So I'll call this place. I'll reduce it. I know how I reduce the text. Mad delete I share. I know. Because I know this text too plenty. Fresher. That's what the phone now. Maybe I say the space for you too big, Abby. Let's see. We'll leave it like that, I beg. So more work on the production. So come this place now. Think production here. So we'll target production here now. So what we'll go do? We'll go come here, duplicate this one. Instead of peer about, we'll say h4 dot production year. h4 dot production year. So font family, we'll use mother. Then font size will be 16 pixel. Come on, the suites. And we'll look this again. If you see this one, I'll see the color for here and the color for this navigation that are almost the same thing. So the way to use RGB for this navigation, that's what to use for here. You get, that's what we use for here. My refresh my sweet I get. Okay. So I'll come this place, I'll see we'll pull this one down. Margin button. So margin button 50 pixel. So we put on inside the paragraph so that it go push and down. You see, it don't push and down now. So then I'll come here. I'll see color RGBA. Don't give out the template ESF. Now we can rely this text editor also. Not to give person stress. Why don't we can maybe 50? So it will be like 50% now. So let's see. Okay. So we'll not get this color. What we need to do now to make our white and then give a small line height. Okay. Duplicate this one. Production here, then we target the span tag. So to just see maybe span increase on like 22. Then font width. Font width could be like 600. Then color FFF. So ash FFF. So more refresh, more see. Okay. So we'll not get this level now. You see, so it don't resemble. It don't resemble. We'll go back to this first, more see. Come here. I'll go open this here. Then where the episode the comment code safe. Yeah. I'm gonna comment some. We'll leave on me pure black first, then come on this button over there. Fresh. Okay. I'll go inspect now. Then we'll put this button. Okay. So the button they show for here now. We'll put the minus now first. Okay. So I'll push on. It come down. So this is a count that way. So mostly like minus 470 something. Minus 474 pixel. Would I get some? I'll more come out first. If we put top safe here, there was more push on the top, say, because we put positive value now, still like 200 now, it could push and go down. So we need to put negative value now, so that they push and they come up. So it was like 300. That's the same thing. So if you put bottom, if you put top, that's which one will make me pass now? More easy bottom one will go before now. So more just go like 470. Then we need to push and come inside small. You see this line here now, so you see the one there, you see the line saying that the scene ID for here. So we'll go push on. So to push on now, I'll go back to this thing. Come here, we'll see left. So the left now, we'll put like 200 pixel first. Too much. 100. 120, 130, 125. We'll leave at 125. So I'll just copy this two here now. So yeah, I'll go back to my code. I'll cancel this one. I'll go back to my code, then I'll paste them here. But I know say by the time we already position this motor for this place now, with all this one, I know say this one it got fair this one work. For this line where black so for these two yellow line now, so and this got fit, so we'll see come back or change all these figures later. We'll see conquer tweak and small so that it go reasonable well. But now we're going to end up for this tutorial because the video is all long, and the next tutorial now we'll talk about this button, then we'll see how we animate the button. So you know the be now, subscribe, like the video, stay a loyal boy, big thank from Double Start here, and thank you.